Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM UN100L mini PC. So friend, it has been released and featuring a 12th generation Intel N100 processor priced at $209 for the 16 plus 512GB version, and the device aims to serve the needs of small and medium-sized business with text-based office tasks, and it doubles as a setup box equipped with the Intel Alder Lake-N100 ultra-low power processor, and it has 4 cores and 4 threads. Its GDP power consumption starts at 6 watt, highlighting its energy efficiency, and the turbo boost performance can reach up to 9 watt, marking a 30% increased efficiency compared to its predecessor and the N5105 generation, and the device caters to general home use of typical users. Storage-wise, it comes with 16 GB LPDDR5 4800 memory and include M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 SSD. It also supports TF card and 2.5-inch HDDs, offering notable storage expandability with its price bracket, and design include a built-in ultra-quiet fan promoting a low-noise operation suitable for office environment, and it is capable of running continuously to enhance work efficiency, and the device also features an Intel 5G and 4G dual-band Wi-Fi module, ensuring a high-speed and stable wireless network connection to meet various office demands. It offers multiple interfaces, including two USB 3.2 and two USB 2.0 ports. It also provides HDMI 2.0, DP 1.4 and Type-C display connectors, supporting 3-screen stimulation, 4K at 60Hz output, and furthermore it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack and DMIC stereo digital microphone interface, which support synchronization of two microphones for stimulate data capture, and the device USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C interface support a one-line connection for PD and can be attached to the back of a monitor using VESA mount, and this feature helps in reducing cable clutter and provide a neat desktop setup. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.